Welcome back to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. Today is sort of a sad day. I've been working in this room, this 12 by 10 room, for almost 10 years now. We're finally moving out. It's sad. It's sad, you get comfortable at a location but on the good note, I'm moving to a larger space that I could organize my tooling a little bit better and be a little bit more efficient. Here I keep on pulling things off the table or moving things around, and that's, sometimes that's how you start. You work with what you got. So I'm going to be doing some short videos on the progress of moving. I'm still wrapping up a lot of work I have here, but it's a little sad. It's a little sad. It's kind of funny. I'm going to be in a bigger location in the same building. So I'm not going to go far. So you don't have to worry about me disappearing to somewhere else. But it's the same building, just a larger room. But we'll show you the progress as we go along with this, along with the work that we're getting in here, and hopefully have better tips and tricks and get these videos more organized, that I could share what I know and how I do things here and be a little bit more of a teacher. We'll see how all that works out. So let's get to work. Well, now that the Runner Workshop is completed, we can focus on moving Mr. J's Workshop to the back shop behind me. Mark, my partner, he's presently working on the old workshop, converting that into an office. He's cleaning, painting. Man, he's working really hard. So let's take a walk back to the new workshop, and I'll show you the next steps and plans that we have for Mr. J's Workshop. So here's the plans for Mr. J's Workshop. I got my floor layout here. Right now I got the main work table in the center of the room. I'm going to have the laser against the far wall with the exhaust system running out. Presently we have NH Electric here, running all the electric back here. We plan to run 220 on the laser. I've always run 110, but I heard 220, it'll give me, the laser will run more efficiently. So they're in the process of hooking all the wiring up for that. So that's in the works. Then the second plan will be to have all the walls and ceilings painted. I'm going to go with a white to make things brighter here. It's easier to see with a lighter color, and that's my preference. And then decide what I'm going to do about the floor. If I'm going to leave the floor alone or do something with the floor. Flooring is always a costly area, but we'll see how that goes. And then the fourth plan is getting everything back in here organized. What I like to do this time around with my shop, we grew as the years went by. Now I want to be able to be more efficient. My shop was limited over there, that anytime I had to do something, I would have to clear the table and bring other equipment in, painting or something like that, reset up the whole room for that specific task. In this room, I should be able to organize it that each part of the room will have a task. like shearing, painting, gluing, assembling, uh, things of that nature. So the next task, which is related to number 4 here, organize, would be organized projects. So I'm going to organize my tools to be more efficient, that I can find them quicker. Everything has a place. 2, a place for all my material to be organized neatly. 3, an area where I can put my shear table with all the tools at one place, that when I go to shear material or work on material, I just go over that spot, do that. I don't have to pull anything out or put anything away. Got to have a table with some type of exhaust system for spray and paint. I use the airbrush a lot for stenciling and things of that nature, and it's really nice to have an area that has a little exhaust system to it where you can hang up projects and being able to spray paint them or airbrush them. In that same area, I'm going to create organizing my paints and glues. So that area would be dedicated for painting or gluing and have a nice ventilated area. So presently, I'm sure things are going to change as we move along here on getting the new Mr. J's workshop up and going. I'm going to try to do videos of the steps I'm doing of this. And if you have any thoughts or ideas, just comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.